Probably. Yes, this area is under video surveillance. From me to you and you to me. Alright. That's not where we came through, is it? And again, no authorized entry. And we got security over here taking a look at us. Looks like he's got a camera up. I'm not seeing that wrong. He's got a camera up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. These guys just watching what was going on. So they just came back from a mountain bike ride and he was just snickering a little bit. Just Paul was fingering the security guy.
Fuck, you came up with that camera real quick, bro.
Guarding all the wood.
You got us like a dirty shark like with that camcorder.
Hello.
There we go, he's behind us right now.
Is he?
Yeah, look down the road. Behind us where we came from.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Come on.
Hold on, hold on. He wants to do that. Let's just set that there for a second. This guy. Maybe. Down here filming this. So who knows? Maybe we'll have some more company from that. But the way that kid came out, and he had a little camcorder in his hand filming us. We'll be coming back by here on the way back. So whether or not he calls somebody, we're going to see him again. And not interested in standing around doing a little bit more filming when we come back.
Wow, they're on us like a dirty sock.
Oh, I got the big camera. I was zooming in on him. He had a camcorder in his hand.
Hey, we got Canadian Right Reviews with us, everyone, so make sure you guys subscribe to his channel.
So I made sure I got the fully zoomed in as far as I could on him. We'll see him again. He's gonna go back that way.
Yeah.
Good. Or he might be calling somebody.
Oh, good. I hope he is.
So the lumberyard we weren't really interested in. Just taking a look at the surveillance sign there, and there was a guy in the car looking at us. We're just kind of walking by because we're coming up here to the CN yard to see what's up here. And pretty quick reaction, and guy broke up the camera to film us while we were there. Got BC Paul Out News out here with us today. We've been doing a lot of filming together as of late. We're pretty local to each other. and you know, the way he was getting treated by some of the local police is what made me finally pick up a camera and get out here. So if you haven't subbed to him yet, head over to BC Paul News on YouTube. He also has a much larger following on TikTok, I understand. I don't do TikTok, at least not yet, so I'll take his word for it. Walk back on this side, Paul. Just to not give anybody an excuse. When there's no sidewalk, you're supposed to walk facing traffic to the left side. Just to not give anybody an excuse. It's actually getting dim enough out here. I'm going to take off his shade so I can see. We're about 100 meters back from where we started here. Probably likely going to get security coming out and looking at us once again. If he does, well, he's going to be on YouTube today. Well, I've already got a couple decent shots of him with the still camera, but I was a little far away. What's that? So they're in receivership. So yeah, so might be the reason this is all fenced off and security is so uppity. Seems this lumber company might be in receivership, which means it's going through the courts. I know from many years ago when I briefly did security in my late teens, I sat on a site. It wasn't a lumber yard, but it was actually a housing project that was halfway through construction that ran out of money. Much the same thing, security on site, because the people who have worked on the project are, in that case, the housing project, were trying to recoup some of the losses and come in and take materials back, or etc. In this case, I don't think they're trying to take materials back because it's a lumber yard, but prices of lumber these days, a virtual gold mine sitting out here. Right across the street from where security was before is Surrey Bend Regional Park. I've never been in there, but in the past, in my younger days, I used to fish up at Edgewater Bar, which is, I think, a good 30 or 40 blocks further east from here, which is now called Darby Reach. So here we have the same security. Looks like he's out here on his phone. Actually expand the tripod here. Sit here for a minute or two. This guy likes to film us. Now he's backing away. Oh, and now he's coming over to the side. Maybe he's coming back out to film. Oh, I'm not sure what he's doing. Is he coming out again? We shall see. So, pretty sure this is the same guy earlier that was had on a camcorder and was filming us walking up the street here when we walked by here. Or it could be that guy back there that's walking along from the background. I thought it was a younger guy, so it might be this other guy that's coming out now. I'll take a look. I'm in no rush. You want to film us? We'll film them right back. Hey, so it's a cam back to cam back, I guess, even though I wasn't originally filming them. And here they come. Out of the vehicle, there's a couple of them. I don't know what's that. Looking over this way, I don't know if they're going to come over here, but now it looks like they're not really paying too much attention. They're just keeping a presence. We got another guy down here down the road. Just noticed him now in his vehicle. So that black vehicle clock there also has one of these security guards in it. He just stepped out and lit a cigarette and jumped back in. So we weren't even interested in the lumberyard. We were just walking by. Yeah, we were filming something up there. We were just walking by, man. So you guys probably can't hear, but the older gentleman here leaning against the vehicle and Paul are having a little bit of an argument. The other guy's trying to calm it down a little bit.
We will. You have no idea.
So here we go. More cam back. Nice shot of that. And this guy is got the camcorder out, filming Paul.
They were not even up.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Huh?
Is what it is.
Yeah. Alright.
You got a few good shots of him with the camcorder up.
You're fucking idiot, man. You're idiots. So we good?
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.